It's Labmas, it's day 9, and I spent the weekend putting up Christmas trees. This is our Scandinavian one in the hallway, which is covered in retro decorations from the 80s from my childhood, and so it's a bit of a crazy tree. And then the one in the lounge, which I did with my mum at the weekend, which is just kind of silver and pine cones and things, and our lovely cat Picard, who I had to take to the vet this morning, so that was fine. But don't worry, he's okay, he just doesn't like it very much. Today we're making a lip balm, and I wanted to make something that was less draggy and didn't have that sort of tacky, waxy feeling so much. So I've used a few different ingredients in this. The base of it is mango butter, and then you're seeing me add some cocoa butter here. And then for the oil, I've chosen macadamia oil. I really like using this for a lot of things, but especially in lip balm. And then candelilla wax, but a relatively low amount. I usually use quite a lot higher in my lip balms or beeswax, but I wanted to lower this down and then replace some of the hardener thickener with other ingredients, of which I've got cetyl alcohol because it gives a really nice sort of finish and slip and glide and conditioning feel to the lip balm. And then this is glycol palminate, which gives it the luxury, silky, slippy, beautiful sort of melting texture on your lips. It really makes it feel luxury compared to other lip balms I've made, so I'm adding that in. All of this can just get melted down in a water bath, and we'll come back in a second when that's done. And here we are, all melted down. Now you just need to make sure before you add your phase C ingredients that it's below the flash point of whatever flavour oil you're using, and it is in my case. I think I used chocolate fudge because it was the only one I had, but you can use whatever you like. And there's also a bit of vitamin E in there as well, and that just helps prevent the oils from rancidity. And just mix that in really, really well. I know I always say that. And then I've got this lip balm thing. I'm only pouring 4 because I've only got 4 lip balm tubes left, and then I'll just pour the excess into a silicone mould to remelt down another time to use again. As you can see, I'm terrible at pouring. But you just need to leave these to set for quite a while. It'll look like they're set after not very long, but then they're actually quite soft and they can break apart. So I recommend putting them in the fridge and leaving them for a good day before you attempt to use them. But I sped up the process with the fridge and freezer here, and helps if I use that the right way around. Scrape off the excess, and then you'll see how terribly my camera decides to focus on these. I don't know why the tracking on the camera decided to go at this point, but it doesn't like focusing on lip balms. But you can see it's quite a wet, sort of easily melting lip balm, but it does feel really, really nice on the lips. If you want the formula for this, as usual, it's on my Patreon with links to where I get the ingredients and sort of a bit about them and all of that. Thank you to everyone that's been watching the Labmas videos. Thank you to my patrons, including my VIP patrons here, and I'll see you tomorrow for something else.